Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make enchiladas from scratch. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, like dried chilies, ripe tomatoes, and your choice of protein or vegetables. This ensures the best flavor for your homemade meal. Next, we'll dive into preparing a rich, authentic enchilada sauce from scratch, which is the heart of this dish. Then, we'll move on to assembling and baking these delicious enchiladas until they are perfectly golden and bubbly. The secret to amazing enchiladas is a fantastic sauce. Begin by toasting about 6 to 8 dried chilies like ancho and guajillo until fragrant. Then, rehydrate them in hot water. Blend these softened chilies with roasted tomatoes, garlic, onion, and a pinch of cumin and oregano. Simmer this mixture for at least 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken beautifully. Taste and adjust the salt as needed. Now for the fun part, assembly. Warm your corn tortillas slightly, either in a pan or microwave to make them pliable and prevent tearing. Dip each tortilla completely into your homemade enchilada sauce. Fill them with your preferred mixture, perhaps shredded chicken, seasoned beef, or a hearty bean and cheese blend. Roll each tortilla tightly and place them seam-side down in a baking dish, ready for the oven. To finish, pour any remaining enchilada sauce generously over your rolled tortillas in the baking dish. Sprinkle a generous amount of shredded cheese, like Monterey Jack or cheddar, over the top for a delicious, bubbly crust. Bake your enchiladas in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and golden. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve immediately for a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.